We have another phone caller on the line, Brenda from Bay County. She has a question about life insurance. Brenda, you can go ahead with that question right now.
Yes, my question is, how long do I have to file in court on a life insurance claim? They didn't accept my power of attorney. They said I had a right to appeal, but they never sent me. They said there was another beneficiary, but they never sent me the other beneficiary where my husband had signed it over to him and then they just denied my claim, and then they sent it. And I saw where they were not even asking for the basic life insurance, which is what I was asking for. They were asking for term life insurance. So I wrote the vice president of the company and asked her to help me. But how long do I have to go to court on that?
Brenda, so you've made a demand against your insurance company, and I guess you're assuming that you have to file a lawsuit against them now to get their attention. I would argue that the life insurance is a contract, and you have 5 years under state of Florida for contractual issues to file a claim against those. But I would do it sooner than later. I mean, I'm not sure how old this issue has been lingering on or how old this case is, but I would actually seek an attorney out as early as tomorrow who fights insurance companies. I mean, you call our law office, we'd be glad to give you some advice and look into the facts and more, and see if you actually have a claim to pursue against them and whether we think you got a legitimate shot of winning. It was a little bit hard to hear you on some of the facts, though. So I'm just basically going with a denial. Here's what they've offered you. But yeah, you would have to file a lawsuit against them. You need to go ahead and do that sooner than later. If you feel like that you have a contract with them, which a life insurance policy is a contract, go get it. Go get what you're entitled to, and don't wait for them to do the right thing, because obviously they're not going to do that.
Thanks for calling in, Brenda. Brenda brought up a really good topic, Chris, and I know we've talked about this before, but statute of limitations and how long do I have to file a claim after something has happened. I know some people do wait. They wait to oh, if I've gotten in an accident and oh, it's not that bad, but then 6 months, a year later, they have really bad back problems or something like that. How long do they have to file a claim?
So for a typical car accident case, it's 4 years, a tort. For contractual issues, it's 5, and for medical malpractice, it's 2. Now, keep in mind, like you say, Courtney, a lot of people wait to the last minute, or they just think that something's going to get better, or they just don't really feel like it until a triggering event happens and they have to go hire an attorney and pursue their claim. So, just like I told Brenda, do it sooner than later. Insurance companies have a lot of attorneys working for them who advocate for them in their positions to protect their interest. And you should do the same. You should have an attorney on board to help you with your legal matters. If it's medical malpractice, be really, really, really timely with that. Don't wait over 2 years, because your claim will be forever barred, unless there's certain situations. And then, for auto accident cases, it's typically 4 years. And then Courtney, you have your contractual issues that take a little longer, or allow you some more time, 5 years.